Yo guys, Nike is not playing any games this year. They must be hearing me say, I'm done buying sneakers this year. So they emptying the clip, bringing back all types of heat. And you guys seen it yesterday, the official news. They're gonna be dropping the Black Cat 4s with Nike Air on the back. That could mean a couple of different things, which we're gonna talk about. But man, these Black Cat 4s are about to go crazy in 2025, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. You guys seen by the intro, the title, the thumbnail. The Black Cat 4 release just got so much better with this crazy update, this new rendition to the Black Cats. And I do think that this is only going to start the hype to go even more. You got Nike Air on the back. We're going to talk about it. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run the likes up. Every single like counts, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And bro, it is so much going on. Like, I don't even be knowing what to talk about. There's so many different topics to talk about. It's kind of hard to, kind of formulate the content, but today we have to talk about these Air Jordan 4s, man. Yo guys, so we just got the Black Cat 3s earlier in January, and I do feel like the energy was reciprocated. It was kept throughout the entire release, throughout, even after the release, people still try to find a pair of these, still kind of giving them their credit. And people was like, yo, it's gonna be the Black Cat 3s or the Black Cat 4s. Which one is better? And there were people in the comment section, I'm telling you guys, people in the comment section of this video right here saying they're gonna pass on these to grab the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. And with this new update, with them adding Nike Air on the back, that is gonna change a couple of different things. For one, it has Nike Air, so the hype is already gonna be a little bit more, and the demand is gonna be out of this world, bro. If you guys don't know, back when these did release, they were sitting for a while. Nobody was really giving them the energy they probably deserve. It's a Black Cat, it's a black sneaker. Everybody loves all black sneakers when it comes from Jordan brand. You can throw it on any silhouette 1 through 14, and I'm guaranteeing they are going to sell out. And yeah, man, so when we release these, they set, and eventually they sold out of nowhere, and the resale just skyrocketed. And that's with just the Jumpman on the back. These are going for over like $700 in almost every single size with just the Jumpman, not a Nike Air, just the Jumpman. These things are going for over $700. And I am pretty sure, bro, y'all were hearing it here first. These Black Cat 4s with Nike Air, of course, they're gonna have less stock than the previous release of these back in 2020. It's just going to be even more difficult to snag. Less stock, the Nike Air just gonna, shoot up the demand for the shoe. So just be prepared. And I hope you was not one of those people that passed up on the Black Cat 3s to, get the Black Cat 4s. That Nike Air is gonna be the determining factor on how a shoe moves. Bro, having Nike Air on the back of anything is going to make people want to get them more. You hear it all the time. People say, I don't want it unless it got Nike Air on the back. So just imagine the hundreds of thousands of people that still want the Black Cat 4s, the Jumpman. Now we're getting with a Nike Air, bro. Like less than what? About 5 years? About 5 years since they did release. And I guess it is perfect timing, and they're throwing a Nike Air on the back. Nike don't care about our pockets, and with them cutting down the stock and stuff like that, this is going to be one of those shoes that could be potentially sneaker of the year candidate. You're talking about an all black sneaker. You're talking about a Black Cat sneaker with Nike Air, and I don't think, like I'm trying to think about any past Black Cat with Nike Air on the back, and I don't think that has happened. I know we got the Black Cat 13s, the 3s, the 4s in 2020, and I'm trying to think of some other all black sneakers, like silhouettes 1 through, we say about 1 through 5 with the Nike Air on them. Even the 6s. Like, I haven't seen it. You guys can let me know in the comment section if I'm tripping, but now we officially about to get these Black Cat 4 guys with the Nike Air on the back, so you guys know I gotta grab a pair. And just imagine how many more people like me are gonna be out there trying to get 1, 2, 3 pairs of the Black Cats, because it's all black. You can't go wrong with it. And every time I have worn these Black Cat 4s, bro, the fit is just super clean. I don't know what it is, bro. Maybe it's just because it's all black. Maybe because it is a Jordan 4. I don't know. Now I do know with that Nike Air on the back, people are about to be jumping jumping out of the gym. People come out the woodworks. And I think this is the year that potentially resellers is gonna start coming back. Like they probably took all those connections market slump, and they probably just gonna pick right back up where they started. And now these pairs are probably gonna start costing a little bit more. But I think that's only due to the fact that we have so many bangers coming out, bro. Like we ain't had this last year. We ain't had the year before last. This is the first year where you literally gotta be on your P's and Q's. Make sure you put in your raffles and stuff like that, because next thing you know, the pairs are going to go. Nike is cutting back on stock, so you have to get with the program. This ain't 2023, it ain't 2024. It's a whole new year, and Nike is emptying the clip when it comes to releases, bro. Like, y'all think, black metallic 5s, black toe 1s, Bred Heidi 5s, Air Jordan 4 white cements. We got so many drops, like I can't even remember all of them, but just know all of them are some crazy OG heat, some dope classics, Ferrari 14s, cool gray 9s. We got so much. The Flu Game 12. Man, I am lost for words, but I'm all here for it. I do wish they would have kind of broke it up a little bit, because we got like some major drops for the first 6 months of the year. And we just got into February. So just be prepared, put your seatbelts on, because it's gonna be a rough ride. And depending on how this black cat or this black metallic release goes, it's gonna just shape the entire year. But if the black metallics are hard to get, it is going to make resellers so happy. They're gonna be smiling ear to ear with joy, because they know they got these connections and they can let these pairs go, man. So yeah, guys, one quick last 360 of the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats, one of my favorite pairs in the collection. You guys see me talk about these so much. You guys see me do a mall vlog. Y'all see me do so many things with this shoe right here, and I was not one of those people that slept. I said I wanted them prior to the drop, and I capitalized on it. So hopefully with that Nike Air on the back, your boy is successful as well. And let me know in the comment section if you will be going after these. Let me know your thoughts and opinions over the Nike Air versus the Jumpman. Let me know all that down below in the comment section. But if you guys are new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, run them likes up, every single like counts. And yeah, with all this being said, your boy The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.